Check out this alternative way to access CapCut Pro features at no cost. I'm using the latest version of CapCut for macOS, version 8.3.0. Let's create a brand new project to start this tutorial. First, let's lay the groundwork. I'm dropping several clips onto the timeline, using high-quality still images to keep the workspace clean. Now let's dive into the premium library. We'll apply various pro-labeled transitions. Look for that small diamond icon. This works for everything: cinematic effects, auto captions, premium stickers, and even pro filters. It's the moment of truth. You hit that blue export button, but instead of a progress bar, CapCut hits you with a pop-up. It insists you join CapCut Pro before you can download your work. But we aren't going to do that.
To bypass this, we'll use a backdoor method through the motion blur engine. First, select every clip on your timeline by hitting Command-A. Right-click and select Create Compound Clip. This collapses your entire edit into one cohesive block, so the engine can process it as a single file.
Now for the magic. Go to the Video tab in the upper right corner. In the Basic panel, scroll all the way to the bottom to find Motion Blur. Check the box to enable it, and set the value to 0. By setting it to 0, CapCut renders every frame, including the Pro features, without actually changing the look of your edit. You'll see a processing percentage appear. Be patient, this is the software doing the heavy lifting. Once it hits 100%, you can safely close or minimize CapCut. The rendered data is now waiting for us in the cache. Now for the treasure hunt. Open Finder and go to your Movies folder. Follow this specific path: CapCut, then User Data, then Cache, and finally Motion Blur Cache. Inside, you'll usually see two MP4 files. Ignore the one with Alpha in the name. The other file is your masterpiece. Right-click it and select Get Info. You'll see it's a crisp 1080p file at 30 frames per second. Copy and paste that file to your desktop and rename it. Hit play one last time to verify those pro effects look slick. That is the ultimate secret to using CapCut's premium toolkit without breaking the bank. If this workaround saved your project today, let me know in the comments. Thanks for watching and happy editing.